Alright, we got a unboxing here of Markia's mug from our trip to Gatlinburg. She was trying to find the perfect one and they didn't have it, so the guy said he was gonna make it. His name was, what was his name?
Tommy Bullen, I think is how it said.
It was what, Bullen, I think?
Yes, his shop is called The Potter and the Park. It's in Gatlinburg.
Are there any poppers? We'll see. We'll find out. There should be something in there with some.
Love poppers. Oh, there's some pretty paper.
Looks like cardboard. Or cardboard. Brown paper. Alright, let's see if that's what you wanted. I think they had some of his stuff at like the old mill area.
There were several different places in Tennessee there, Surveyville and Gatlinburg or Pigeon Forge that had some different pottery shops or just shops that carried some of his handmade pottery, I believe.
Can I get this on, Mom? Are we supposed to put something in there, or they just...
No, I can see it. I'm using a butter knife. No one could get me the scissors or a pair of scissors?
Yeah.
Because it's wrapped so good, but I can't see.
We'll link the pages in here.
Because he's respectful.
He doesn't want
I need you to get the scissors, please.
scissors. He doesn't want it damaged. If he goes through all the work of making it, you don't want it to get bashed by a UPS or
Yeah, when they throw
postal
the box
service
or something
worker,
stupid.
They have a great habit of,
I see it a little bit.
Amazon's the worst, but they'll just pull up to the driveway and launch the packages out the window. So they're terrified of dogs, I guess.
Hey, Papa! I can see why he put all the Papas in there.
Well,
Are these Papas?
great wrap job there. So
Yes, I am highly impressed with this. There was no chance my mug was going to come damaged.
Could I please open
yeah, it's the
that?
first time he's done it. So let's open it up, and
He can't pop.
here we go.
That is liquid. Open up your mind. Oh, wow. Whoa. Look in the inside corner.
There we go. There we go. Explore the Great Smoky Mountains. Awesome.
His stamp is on the bottom.
Can I see?
There we
Can I
go.
see a beautiful stamp? Aww. Can I see the beautiful stamp again?
Wow. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. All right. The problem was it wasn't quite the it's not a patch, but what do you call it?
I chose what I wanted when I picked it out, like what stamp I wanted on
the
what
stamp,
mug.
but yeah, they didn't have them.
Yeah.
There's lots and lots on display we saw, but not that exact one. So
Yeah.
we appreciate you making it for us, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.